Brilliant. Big round of applause for the dancers. I had forgotten sound kya thi yaar theaters ki. So loud. Love it. Fantastic. Now that I've said, Ayush, congratulations, first of all. We've been waiting for this one, but now that I've said that you've eaten a gym, you've worn a jacket and come so that you can hide everything that's under that. It's fantastic. Can I have a mic, please, for Ayush? How are you doing, buddy?
All good. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for coming. Means a lot. Thank you.
और अभी तो ट्रेलर आएगा लेकिन एक्साइटमेंट तुम्हारी बहुत टाइम से चल रही है बिकॉज अभी तक मेरे दिमाग में लव यात्री और चौगाड़ा चलता है मैं तुम्हें जब देखता हूँ सो यू मस्ट बी रियली यू लाइक कोविड स्टॉप द वर्ल्ड फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल लेकिन तुम्हारे लिए ऐसा हो गया था कि मैं वेट ही कर रहा था दिखाने के लिए दूसरा अवतार काफी टाइम लग गया सो हाउ वाज दैट वेट
I think the wait was worth it. काफी पेशेंस लगी इस जर्नी के लिए अंतिम के लिए बट I think it gave me more time to prepare. It gave me more time to work on myself, and I think somewhere down the line it benefited us.
It really has. Please go stand next to your poster. It would be awesome. And अब जब यहाँ पे छोटे भाई हैं तो सर को तो बुलाना ही पड़ेगा. तो ladies and gentlemen, सलमान खान के लिए तालियां हो जाएं. Sir, please do come on stage. The special BGM for Salman Khan, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for coming on stage. How are you doing, sir?
Thank you.
And he's looking
doing
like
well.
a carbon copy, sir, of you. And I have to say,
No. He's not looking like a carbon copy of me. He's looking like a much better version of what he looked in Love Yatri.
how has it been, sir? It's been a tough
जब
time.
खुद की पिक्चर है ना तो कुछ भी बोल सकते हम दूसरों की पिक्चर के बारे में नहीं हम हमारी पिक्चर के बारे में बोलेंगे
लेकिन 1.5 साल लग गया सर ये नया अवतार इसका भी देखने का एंड ऑल्सो फैंटास्टिक अवतार यू नो वी बीन सीइंग लाइक आई सेड कि ट्रेलर तो अभी आएगा बट द मोशन पोस्टर ऑल्सो वाज फैंटास्टिक जिस तरह आंख के अंदर से जा रहा था लिटिल बर्डी हैज टोल्ड मी अ लॉट ऑफ दैट आइडिया वाज आल्सो योर्स कैसा था उसके बारे में सर
यही था कि आजकल हमेशा जब कोई आइडिया आता है जब कोई आइडिया हम सुनाते किसी को तो ऐसा हो गया है कि सर ये नहीं हो सकता स्टार्ट ही नहीं से करते एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल ट्राई तो करो कोशिश तो करो फिर हमारे वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट टीम्स ने फिर वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया और आपने वो डिजिटल पोस्टर देखा
You know, it's been a long time, and it also actors के लिए क्या होता है कि you feel like doing something, you know. वो थोड़ा सा the nothingness of the time. I know it happens with, of course, everybody went through it, but especially for you know the stars of our industry. What were you all managing to do in that one? Was there a lot of script readings? Was there a lot of thinking back and forth? But how did that entire 1 year, or you know, say about a year and a half go since say Radhe and now? What was how was the time being utilized?
So I was really lucky with that because Antim has started. तो Mahesh had finished quite a bit of Antim. राधे का सिर्फ कुछ ही बाकी था और थोड़ा सा राधे को अपग्रेड भी करना था तो जैसे ये लॉकडाउन पहला वाला बंद हुआ हमने जाके वो कंप्लीट कर दिया फिर महेश एज अ डायरेक्टर इज लाइक वेरी बैंग ऑन ही नोज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांट्स तो जितना शूट करना था उतना ही शूट करके हमारी ये पिक्चर बन गई सो वी वर लकी that Mr. Manjarkar was on our side and this is his kind of filmmaking genre which he's taking it to the next level so let's see now आप trailer वेलर देखोगे आपको 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 पसंद ही आएगा ना हाँ
तो अभी बोल ही दिया है तो sir please do take a seat and let me show the trailer to everybody right now.
I give you a hand to come down.
Launched by SKF and UBT, looking lovely. Congratulations. The stage is yours. Do join us. Mahesh sir, please do come on stage, sir. नहीं वैसे ये तो महेश सर 5.0 है सर. दूसरा महेश सर कहाँ है सर? आप इतने फिट लग रहे हैं, अलग लेवल. Ravi Basrur sir and Hitesh Modak do come on stage. Sound design, lyrics, music, everything. Ravi Basrur sir has done. Lots and lots of questions to ask him as well. Can I get some more mics as well? And of course, as our gentlemen make their way on stage, Salman sir, do come on stage as well, sir, please. Yeah. Sir. Congratulations, Mahesh sir. पहला सवाल सर आपसे. एक डायरेक्टर ऑलवेज जब शुरुआत करते हैं फिर वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कब मैं दुनिया को दिखा सकूं अपना बेबी. इसमें काफी समय लग गया बनाते बनाते. For the director also continuity मैच करना, पेशेंस रखना, it's a toughest job. कैसा रहा सर आपके लिए?
नहीं, आई थिंक द जर्नी वाज बहुत स्मूथ था ये पिक्चर का इनफैक्ट, क्योंकि एक तो स्क्रिप्ट बहुत पहले रेडी थी एंड द एक्टर्स वर प्रिपेयर्ड. तो आधे से ज़्यादा काम तो मेरा वहीं इजी हो गया था. एंड कुछ नहीं, कहीं रुकी नहीं फिल्म. इन स्पाइट ऑफ देर आर सम फिल्म्स विच गेट लकी. इन स्पाइट ऑफ कोविड का ये भी हम लोग बीच में निकल के भी जस्ट फिनिश द फिल्म इन क्वाइट अ डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. एक तो प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा था, तो एक आधा वरी निकल जाता है ना, कि देयर यू डोंट हैव टू यूज योर एनर्जी बाय कि अरे ये मांगता है मेरे को वो मांगता है. एंड आई थिंक वी हैड अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट. जो बेस, एक तो इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन समथिंग, जो बेस भी अच्छा था, तो वी ट्राई टू इनकॉर्पोरेट समथिंग एक उसका बेस लेके द स्क्रिप्ट हैज शेप्ड अप वेल एंड इट वाज अ फिल्म व्हिच वाज टू माय लाइकिंग और मेरा जॉनर था. So I think things were easy, and this girl I found new, and I think she's going to give a lot of girls a run for their money.
High praise in your first film. Before I go to the rest of cast, sir, say बाकी महेश सर कहाँ चले गए? ये जो न्यू एंड इम्प्रूव्ड फिटनेस वाला वर्जन जो भी सलमान सर के साथ फिल्म करते हैं, सब मतलब ये डाइट और वर्कआउट ही शुरू हो जाता है सर?
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं था, but I had worked out just before Antim. I had lost about 35 kgs.
So that itself is a big round of applause for that, sir.
Yeah. I was 105.
Well done.
But फिर then एक unfortunate thing happened after I finished Antim. वो एक ऐसा था कि I was diagnosed with cancer. During, yeah. I shot about the last portion when I had cancer. In fact, I was taking chemotherapy. But then today I'm very happy to tell you that I'm cancer free and.
Congratulations, sir. Well done. The fight is always tough.
And he got to know that he had cancer before shooting Antim. He did not tell us, but then we found out. And then as soon as he finished the first lot of shoot, then he went and got himself operated. And now today he's...
Looks fantastic. Salman sir, always pressure on you whenever you have other faces with you also. There's a matchup, body matchup also. That also happens rarely. How much did you have to work on Ayush to make sure that the matchup worked?
I had an advantage of age and experience, and he did have an advantage of enthusiasm and 4 months. Yeah, I started one and a half week before the body shot, and I thought it was going to get postponed by 4 days, but he would not be able to handle those 4 days. So I had to shoot in those 4 days.
Ayush, this is always a big time for you also. Like I said, तुम्हारा इंतजार रहता है कि यार मैं जल्दी जल्दी लोगों के सामने अपने नए अवतार प्रेजेंट करूं. And we were talking about this also last time, आपकी not just body, even the look is a very different look, of course, and it's shades of meanness, negativity, tough action boy, which you aren't in real life. तो कैसा था transformation? मुश्किल?
I think it was very different. As you said, that it's not me in real life. So to physical transformation is one aspect of it, but to understand, to do it properly, I think Mahesh sir was very kind enough to help me translate this character. He really helped me on set and used to help me before the shooting began, to understand what I need to do and how to not make it loud, but make it underplay the whole character. But more than anything, it was Salman Bhai who really inspired. For 2 years when the film was in pre-production stage, he'll constantly keep inspiring that, this is a film that you need to change yourself, do something different. And I think I'm very lucky that, many actors don't get a chance in the second film to change themselves completely. I think I'm very grateful for the makers to give me that opportunity.
I have two opposite brother-in-laws. One is the most patient one, that's Atul, the most impatient one. कब ट्रेलर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब डिजिटल पोस्टर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं शूट, खत्म करो इसको,
But it's worked well,
कब
sir.
रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
Are you happy with the final product of Ayush?
Me? If you ask
Both
me,
of you, sir.
Me?
This is the final product. He said you kept inspiring and you
No,
he
we
was
were
work in
happy with
progress.
this product when my sister got married to him.
but I
And
will
we are
want
happy with
to-
their products also. Very happy with Ahil and Ayat.
So
but if
this
you ask
production
me,
has done
If
well.
you ask me, I think you expect something. When you're working with an actor, you expect something. That this guy will deliver this much, but I think he has far exceeded my expectations. He is fantastic in the film, and I used to take it, but I want people to see Salman in the film because there's a different Salman in the film, and he has done a brilliant job. So I'm more than happy because I got to work with two guys who I'm very, very satisfied when I see the thing. I feel ki they've done a great job.
And she's done a brilliant job as well also. Maima, congratulations to the big stage. You're a semi-veteran, film debut, yes, but so for the audiences, like we did this, when did you actually first appear in front of the camera?
Firstly, hi, good
Yeah.
evening. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for making our day even more special. Okay, so to answer your question, I started off acting when I was 10.
So this is an easy cakewalk for you then.
Not at all, not at all. First of all, I can't believe that I'm sharing the stage, the screens with the people around me, and it still feels unreal. And let me tell you, it's a dream come true. Never did I think that I will get this opportunity to work with Salman.
Chori nikal gayi.
Arey! Never did I think that I would get an opportunity to work with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, incredible people, and to work on a wonderful script. So it was definitely not a cakewalk for me. It was more about proving myself that sir ने अगर Mahesh sir ने Salman sir ने भरोसा किया है, तो I should prove myself. And I am, like so said, the character is extremely, it's a pataka. She was a firecracker. So for me to crack her and to pull her off was
very simple.
Oh no.
As you can all see.
So it still feels unreal, and I can't tell you how happy, how emotional. It's a mixed emotion that I have inside me right now, but I feel incredible and happy, and yeah.
I'm so happy you really sound excited about that. That's the way it should be.
Yeah.
Wait till the 26th.
Yes.
You probably won't be able to sleep at night. Two gentlemen over there. Yeah.
Huh? Garipan Ashish, right?
Your family is here, right?
Yes.
Sweet. Two gentlemen standing over there. This conversation cannot continue without introducing them. Ravi Basrur Saab and Hitesh. Ravi Basrur Saab, KGF 1, The first time I went into a theater to watch that, I was one of the few people. And I was discussing with Ravi sir. The sound when, Yash walks in, it just blew everybody's mind away. So he created the BGM for that. And he's just one of the most incredible sound gentlemen that there is. The full sound
Thank you very much.
of this film, lyrics, everything is him. Sir, होता है पर्दे के पीछे जो लोग होते हैं और जो साउंड बनाते हैं, लोग they don't know them. बड़े stars दिख जाते हैं. You're a superstar down south as well. Sir, what is it to create sound for a film? Just, for all our entire audience.
थैंक यू. सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. मेरा मानना है कि फूल का बगीचे में बहुत सारे फूल होते हैं. सभी को भगवान का उधर यानी कि आपका उधर आने का बहुत तरस होता है. सो क्या होता है ना, जो जब हमारे अंदर का जो टैलेंट है, सो इट्स फर्स्ट सेलेक्टिंग द डायरेक्टर. I want to thank director, those हमारे जो अंदर जो भी टैलेंट हो, विदाउट इनका सिलेक्शन हम आ नहीं सकते आपके उधर. उसके बाद प्रोडक्शन हाउस, सो दे आर द सेकंड गॉड. हमको खाना और हमारा जो मन में या आपको देने का है करके, सो उसको फुलफिल करने वाले प्रोडक्शन हाउस. थैंक्स लॉट सर मेरे ऊपर ट्रस्ट करने के लिए. सो टैलेंट सभी के ऊपर होते हैं, लेकिन टैलेंट का मतलब ही नहीं. सो जो सेलेक्ट करता है, उस जो अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है, ही इज़ द गॉड. थैंक्स लॉट फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी.
एंड हितेश, बड़े पर्दे पर बड़े नाम के साथ जुड़ जाना, इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स, यू नो. मैं कितने कंपोजर्स को जानता हूँ, कितने म्यूजिशियंस को जानता हूँ जिनकी आवाज़ होती है, लेकिन लाइक रवि सर सेड, वो पहुंचने का जरिया नहीं होता है. एंड यू नो दिस प्लेटफॉर्म, एनी टाइम यू गेट इन्वॉल्व विद सलमान सर, दिस प्लेटफॉर्म जस्ट इंक्रीजेस, इट जस्ट बिकम्स वाइडर. तो इस एक्सपीरियंस में आप जरूर बताएं.
मेनली तो मेरे लिए मतलब यहाँ पे सर और महेश सर और सलमान सर इनके साथ खड़ा होना, मतलब दिस वाज अ ड्रीम. मतलब
तो बैठ जाओ.
दिस वाज अ ड्रीम. एंड यू नो मतलब इनके जो थॉट्स थे गानों के लेके, एंड दे वर वेरी सॉर्टेड. एंड यू नो आई यूज्ड टू गेट सजेशंस फ्रॉम सलमान सर आल्सो, महेश सर आल्सो, एंड देन टू इनकॉर्पोरेट देयर आइडियाज ऑन, एंड यू नो वर्क ऑन द सॉन्ग्स. इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी, एंड मतलब दिस इज अ ड्रीम फॉर मी आल्सो.
Lots of dreams getting fulfilled, and I will open out to. We haven't done this in a long time, so
तो
guys, आपके लिए.
रवि बसूर साहब से जब मेरी बात हुई तो मैंने उनको बोला कि इसका बैकग्राउंड को मेरे को ऐसा, सर आप फिक्र मत करो, थिएटर की कुर्सियां हिलेंगी. सो आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर द कुर्सी टू हिलो. क्या हिल रही थी कुर्सी? यू फेल दैट? यू गाइस फेल दैट हिलोइंग द कुर्सी? अब 2.5-3 साल हो गए थिएटर में कुछ चीज़ देखे हुए. पिक्चर तो छोड़ो, ये पहला ट्रेलर है जो देख रहे हैं हम, तो इफेक्ट थिएटर का पता चलता है. That there's no other alternate to this big screen.
And we need films like yours to come out, sir. हम सबकी
No, films like ours and
media
everyone
also-
else's, the whole industry, because and the fans to keep coming back into their theaters and be safe. That's the most important thing there is.
Absolutely. I'm going to open out now. Please do come with your questions. Yeah.
Hello.
एक सेकंड, माइक जा रहा होगा.
To transformation. Could you tell us something on that?
Sir, the film is different. The character was very different. So I just wanted to justify being a part of this movie. So that's why it was about a change of 2 years. I had to change myself, put on a lot of weight. Actually, it was almost like going back to the drawing board post Love Yatri to play Rahulia on screen.
And Salman sir, you know, the cop reminds us of Arjun Ranawat in terms of intensity, rawness, and everything else. And I think this is the first time since then that we are seeing you in this avatar. How would you define this cop character? And do you agree that this is the first in the intense space for you since Garv?
Correct. You're absolutely right. Dabang was a different character. So was Wanted, and so was Radhe. This is like that Arjun Ranawat kind of character, serious and heart and mind both working together in tandem. And he's very strong. He is dedicated to his job, and even though all the opposition, he manages to get things done his way.
Thank you and good luck.
आयुष आपके लेफ्ट में.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आयुष जी, जब आपको बताया गया या आपको पता चला कि
आयुष कौन है इधर?
जब आपको बताया गया या आपको
कौन है
पता चला
आयुष?
कि
आयुष
एक
कौन
सेकंड रुक जा, एक सेकंड रुक जा. और गुड टू सी यू भाई, तुम्हें भी बहुत टाइम से नहीं देखा है.
थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू.
है? आयुष?
नहीं आयुष.
आयुष.
जब आपको बताया गया या आपको पता चला कि आपको सलमान जी के सामने शर्टलेस होना है और वो भी शर्टलेस होकर फाइट करनी है, तो क्या कुछ चल रहा था आपके दिमाग में?
सर मैंने पहले हार मान ली थी. मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आ रही थी टेंशन के मारे. और कभी ऐसा मतलब स्क्रीन में तो बहुत बार जब सलमान भाई की शर्ट उतरती है तो सीटी मारी है. अभी बहुत डर लग रहा था कि मैं उनके सामने खड़ा हूँ. और यूजुअली हमेशा प्रे करते हैं आप कि जब सलमान भाई फाइट करेंगे तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा. इस बार पिटने वाला मैं हूँ. तो मुझे डर बहुत लग रहा था. और आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग जब मैंने भाई को सेट पे मिला था तो मैंने कहा भाई थोड़ा जस्ट गो ईजी ऑन मी, बिकॉज मुझे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था कि मैं इस टाइम इस मोमेंट में सलमान भाई के सामने खड़ा हूँ.
सलमान जी, आप कुछ टिप्स भी देते हैं कि
हाँ, कि
जल्दी
बहनोई
shirtless होनी चाहिए?
को मारते नहीं, ब्रदर इन लॉ पे हाथ नहीं उठाते. और जब ये आए थे फर्स्ट टेक के अंदर तो भागते हुए आया फुल जोश के अंदर और पंच यूं मारा. तो आई वाज लाइक नहीं भाई ये इसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम, यहाँ पर तुमको मारना ही पड़ेगा. तो फिर इसके महेश, हाँ, इसके करीबन 14-15 टेक हो गए और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब ये पूरी पिक्चर में होते रहेगा.
Ayush, you were scared to hit.
सर मैंने साइड में बोला था गाड़ी रेडी रखना. गलती से हाथ इधर उधर हो गया तो मैं डायरेक्ट भाग के गाड़ी में बैठ जाऊंगा.
हाँ तो जाओगे भी तो घर ही जाओगे.
बट तब तक थोड़ा शांति से हो जाएगा. बट बहुत डर लग रहा था बिकॉज बहुत जैसे सडनली बताया था कि आके भाई को पंच करना है. तो आई थिंक भाई इज वेरी काइंड. तो रियल लाइफ में तो काफी स्वीट होते हैं बट जब आप ऑन मूवी सेट में देखते हो दैट्स व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि आप सलमान खान के सामने खड़े हो और आपको उनको पंच मारना है. सो आई थिंक दैट डे थोड़ा पैल्पिटेशन टाइप हो गया था मुझे.
Hi, Ayush Sana from Indian Express here. Hi.
हाय मैम.
As you rightly said कि डर लग रहा था, but given that Salman is there with you in this film, do you think it will work as an advantage because you know there's a certain section of audience that will definitely come to watch the film, or are you nervous because there would be comparisons and of course references?
Ma'am, for any actor, that's a different subject that I am related to him. But for any actor, it's a dream come true to be in a project that has Salman Bhai. For me, I am very lucky that I am on the poster as well. So I think it's a huge advantage as an actor to be working with him. There are certain things you learn while you are training, and there are certain things you learn while you're on set. And to be a part of, I think most of his films have been so famous and they've been so popular. I think it's a dream come true for me to be a part of a movie that so many people, it reaches to so many people. So I can get the advantage of showing my work to a lot of people.
And Salman from Bhai.
ये जो अभी इन्होंने स्पीच दिया है इसको संभाल के रखना. कुछ सालों के अंदर I told Bhai not to do it but he didn't listen only. Yeah.
And Salman, from Bhai Jaan to Hindustan Ka Bhai, as your character rightly mentioned, tell us more about playing a Sardar because I think it's probably for the first time that you're doing that.
No,
also.
I did that. I did that in Heroes a long time ago. And then when you play a character like that, then you need to, give it your best. And so whenever you play a character, any character actually, and you just need to just be very pure and just be very careful and be very, very respectful and dedicated to that character.
And Mahesh sir, I also wanted to ask you, given that as Salman rightly mentioned that you got to know about your illness before the film, how difficult was it to actually shoot amid the illness, or was it actually a healing process for you because you were on set?
No, actually, what happened is when I got to know I have cancer, but I don't know. I was lucky. The chemos didn't affect me at all. I had to take 4 chemos first before I going in for a surgery, and it was a huge surgery. But then during the shooting, I was under chemo, and it didn't affect me so much. But then I don't know. I think work drives you. Your passion drives you, and I always think positively. I never. It didn't shock me that when they told me I've got cancer. So I just accepted it, and I said, "Ki chalo, there are so many people who get cancer and who still fight and survive." So it didn't bother me too much. And then all were helpful in Salman. Everybody knew, so they were all very, very caring, and there was no problem at all. And as I said, the film was like down my road, so I was quite comfortable, and I think both of them were so supportive. In spite of it was a change of role for Ayush also, and change of role for Salman also. It has whatever humor there is in the film. It comes out of situations. Humor is not thrust in the film. So it is a very, very serious film, but then there is sort of a black comedy in the film. But I'm very, very satisfied with the way the film is shaped up, and it is to my liking. It is a commercial film, but still it is a real film.
Just one sec. Where have we got the mic coming here?
Yeah.
Asha, actually, you're loud enough. We'll have you.
लेकिन जेंट्स फर्स्ट या लेडीज फर्स्ट? बोलिए जेंट्स फर्स्ट.
नहीं, it's
चलो
okay.
भाई, जेंट्स. लेडीज ने बोल दिया जेंट्स फर्स्ट.
माइक किसके पास है?
और आप बात मान जाओगे? हाँ. नहीं, go ahead.
Should I go ahead?
देखो पहले तो आप लेडीज और फिर आप सेकंड रो में बैठी हो
ये
वो
आप
पीछे
आप
बैठी
कर रहे हो, आप पूछ लो ना। हाँ
बीच
बेटर
में
हो
कोई
जाएगा
और आ
मैम।
जाएगा नहीं तो
जी बोलिए, पूछिए।
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here from Times of India. Mahesh ji, the question is for you.
1 sec.
Mahesh ji, the question is for you. This side. Yeah.
there.
So you're working with Salman after a very long time, though even your daughter has worked with him, and this time you're directing the film. You're a part of direction as well as actor. So can you elaborate about your role in the movie
My role as an actor?
as an actor and as the director? How was
As an actor, I didn't want to, but actually Salman forced me to do the role. What happens is when I prefer not to act in a film I direct. Because now you always feel you can't see yourself act. You can't say okay because you're there, you don't know what you have done. But then I did
was
it.
more
and
than okay.
Most of the times I used to shirk away na कि ये scene में इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं. So I used to not do. But then I the role was nice, nice, beautiful cameo. So I just did it. But as a director, because I've known Salman now for so many years, we have done so many films as co-stars. So I know Salman. Beyond films also, I treat him more like a brother than a friend because I'm always at his home. So, and I know what capabilities he has. So it was never a very, very difficult thing to direct him at all. In fact, it was much easier because I knew exactly what I wanted from him. The only thing I wanted was to say the lines and mean the lines. So many a times what happens is people enact their lines, which I feel there, somewhere a little hamming comes in. So I just told him, I said, you believe in the lines and say the lines. There are so many times when the people go on screaming and shouting the lines and, they jar. So it was never at all difficult working with Salman because I know him and he knows me. So there was I was not overawed by him or not scared of him. So that helped a lot. And I don't know, I really loved working with him because he's one hell of an actor for a director. So he's
How
very
come, sir, you were not very critical of him ever? Sometimes is that zone there that family है, so I might be a little more extra critical in a scene.
बिल्कुल नहीं सर, बिल्कुल नहीं. सर जब सर को गुस्सा आता है तो अच्छा खासा आता है. पूरे सेट को पता होता है सर गुस्से में.
तुम्हारे पर आए हैं सर को ज्यादा
कौन से
गुस्से?
सर ये सर या ये सर
मैं तो सलमान सर की बात कर रहा हूँ. सलमान सर आपके साथ क्रिटिकल नहीं होते हैं क्या? आपकी फैमिली हो तो do a little better job, do a better take. Is that pressure not there? Sir, actually this is directed to you. Were you not more critical of him because has to show a little more?
I keep my criticality within myself because then it becomes a big critical problem for him at home.
Bhai is being modest. Bhai is very
I will say
critical about
something
it.
to him, he will go and tell Arpita that this is what Bhai said, and Arpita said, "What have you?" Then call Gumas around onto me. So, but he's a sensible boy. He knows his stuff. He has his brains in the right place, and he uses them as well. Pada likha chokra hai, and good at heart. Abhi tak to.
My last question is to
Samina, just finish. Sorry,
the
I
last
interrupted you there.
question, the
Yeah,
last
please.
question to Ayush.
One second. She just finished off. Yeah.
Ayush, from playing a lover boy to villainous role, how was the transformation for you altogether?
I think, ma'am, it was more of a psychological transformation to do something like this. I never really thought that this second film I would have to play a character like this. But I think more than anything, Mahesh sir had written the film, which it was so beautiful that while I was reading the script and sir was doing my workshops at that point in time, it really started helping me psychologically to play the character. I wouldn't really say that the transformation of Raulia as a character from my first film is only physical. I think it's more of a mental thing that Mahesh sir has helped me in this movie.
Hello.
Brother.
Yeah.
Yes. 1 second.
Yeah.
Right here.
पूछ लो भाई. Trust me. I am very happy for him. Very happy for him, for Arpita, for his kids. Me, I've always said you need to compete with the younger boys. Now I'm competing with them. कौन सा डायलॉग? हाँ उसी टाइप का लाइन है, but I thought this is a line that is suited best because there's a lot of pressure on him. उनके हाथ बंधे हुए हैं, ऐसे ये अभी झेलते रहूँगा और फिर क्लाइमैक्स के अंदर when he sees that too much wrong is happening, then he comes and stands up.
It's
Yeah, it was there in the script, yeah.
it's a superb dialogue, and let me tell you, the trailer is fantastic
left.
out here.
Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
Superb trailer, total paisa vasool. Mahima, I would like to ask you कि last में it's a clash between Salman Khan and Ayush. तो आप किसके लिए root कर रही थी?
थैंक यू फर्स्टली जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है वो सबसे पहले तो खुद के लिए रूट कर रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द वे शी इज ओके एंड बिकॉज देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ हैपनिंग ऑन द फोर फ्रंट वी हैव सलमान सर वी हैव आयुष एंड यू नो यू सॉ द ट्रेलर द वे इट इज बट देन यू सी दिस गर्ल having her own thing, having her own voice, and for me she was absolutely liberating. Sorry, the nervousness is just around the stage. So
इसी को ये 5 बार इसका गाना बनेगा.
So for me, she was absolutely strong, confident, and someone who has her own voice and who can stand by it. So that is something that absolutely inspired me about the character. And so she's Manda, and Manda is the only girl in the man's world, and that's how she is. So right now she is, I think, rooting for herself.
क्या बात है?
But did you think that she would be able to play the character?
What do you think? I need to know. What do you
I
think?
am waiting for the film. I'll tell you after that.
Done. I'm going to read what you write.
Pakka. Ravi
Hi.
sir, you know, fantastic BGM, and just want to know कि it's your dream come true, you know, Bollywood debut, and that too for a Salman Khan film. So would like to know something more on that.
Everything is unexpected. Suddenly, sir के production house पे call आया. I thank to Anbu Aryu sir. So it's like suddenly it's happened. So I don't know, but I have done my job. I hope it will entertain you in theater. Thank you.
सलमान सर आपके लेफ्ट में डायगोनली है अमित फ्रॉम दैनिक भास्कर. सलमान सर पिछले 1.5 सालों से मतलब ओटीटी की एक आदत तो लगी है ऑडियंस को. ओके
जी.
उनको फिर से सिनेमा घरों में लाना, हमें उन्हें किस तरह का कंटेंट देना होगा? विजुअली बहुत खूबसूरत जैसे डिज्नी की फिल्में होती हैं या मतलब हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्में, क्या लगता है आपको?
देखो अब ये थिएटर में लोग आना शुरू हो गए. अब देखो ये भी 50% भर चुका है. जब आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं तो वो ऑडियंसेस भी ज़रूर आ जाएंगे थिएटर्स के अंदर. वो जो हम एक आईपैड या लैपटॉप पे या एक छोटे से फ़ोन पर जो हम फिल्म देखते हैं वो उसका मज़ा नहीं आता जितना कि एक थिएटर में हम सब साथ बैठ के एक पिक्चर देखें. और इसका कोई अगर आप सोचते हो कि ये छोटे छोटे फ़ोन ये ऑल्टरनेट है ये सिनेमा घरों का, तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज़ ट्रू. अब ये फिल्म ऐसा लगा था कि लॉकडाउन नहीं खुलेगा, थिएटर्स नहीं खुलेंगे, तो ये OTT पे जा रही थी फिल्म. एंड इट वाज every which way it was beneficial for us to be on OTT, but we have taken this decision to release the film all over the country and overseas in theaters. Very close to you.
Sure.
I'll wrap up with the last question. आपका हो गया. One last question right here in the front.
आपके लिए एक सवाल था. आयुष जैसे मतलब घर में मतलब दामाद जो है वो बहुत पैम्पर होके मतलब रहते हैं, ठीक है, और मतलब जो खासकर मतलब बड़े साले साहब होते हैं, ठीक है.
सर कभी घर तो आओ आप.
बिल्कुल. तो सलमान सर से आप मतलब कितने इंटिमिडेट मतलब रहते हैं, कितना लिहाज करते हैं, और कब मतलब किस मोमेंट पे उनके साथ फ्रेंडली मजाक भी करते हैं?
Sir, Salman Bhai is related to me, but more than anything, I consider him my own elder brother. He's a mentor to me. He has always guided me. जितना भी मुझे थोड़ी बहुत knowledge है films की, it's all thanks to him. हर बात पे एक respect रहती है because he is almost the elder brother who we always go back to. There's no denying the fact that Salman Bhai is a very integral part of our family, and at least in my life, he is a very big part of my family. So we always have to go back to him for, even for small things, you want a mental approval because he has an experience that we don't
They
have.
come to me, I go to my father.
But I think the comfort level is always there to say what you have to say, but obviously with respect. I think there's no pride in disrespecting somebody who, because of whom you are where you are.
Salman, one sec, we'll just one last question.
आपने नहीं पूछा अभी तक?
नहीं. अच्छा.
हाँ पूछ लिया आपने?
I'll finish with you with last, but let's let her ask that. Yeah.
महेश और मैं वी लाइक ब्रदर्स. हम एक दूसरे को बहुत अरसे से जानते हैं और इनका सिनेमा मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इनकी हर मराठी फिल्म भी देखी है मैंने. इनके परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं, इनका विजुअल जो सेंस है, राइटिंग का, डायरेक्शन का, हर चीज़ का एक इनमें एक वो एक बड़ा ही अच्छा ग्रिप है. तो दैट इज़ वाई. और ये फिल्म जब हमारे पास आई, वी थॉट दैट महेश वुड बी द बेस्ट डायरेक्टर फॉर दिस फिल्म. और अब क्योंकि दोस्त हैं तो आई हैड टू गो एंड आस्क हिम कि विल यू डू दिस, मीन्स गिव हिम के यार ये ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ इस टाइप की पिक्चर, अंडरवर्ल्ड की पिक्चर, यू नो. But then he said yes, he would love to do it because he really liked the script. So after that, we've completed the film now. Trailer aa chuka hai. I hope you guys liked it. Yeah?
Super hard hitting.
Salman sir, good evening.
One sec, guys. I'm going to wrap up here. One sec there. Right, this lady right in the front here. Yeah.
सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इतने खूबसूरत ट्रेलर के लिए. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है.
शुक्रिया इतनी खूबसूरत शक्ल और आवाज के लिए.
इंतजार कर रहे थे और ये ट्रेलर देखने मिला. तीन किरदार, तीनों के तीनों किरदार बहुत अच्छे एस्टेब्लिश हो रहे हैं. आयुष का किरदार गुंडा, गुंडे का बाप और एक पटाखा लड़की, तीनों किरदार बहुत अच्छे एस्टेब्लिश हो रहे हैं. लेकिन जो हमारा क्यूट वाला और इंटरेस्टिंग वाला सरदार है, उसके लिए हीरोइन क्यों नहीं फिल्म में? क्यों? एक बड़ी मुश्किल से मौका मिलता है, बड़ी मुश्किल से लोग वेट करती हैं सारी एक्ट्रेसेस सलमान के अपोजिट, और वो मौका महेश जी, सलमान वो मौका.
थोड़ा सा हमने सोचा था, ये डिफिकल्ट वाला है, डिफिकल्ट वाला है. तो दिस कैरेक्टर इज अ मच बेटर कैरेक्टर ऑन हिज ओन. अगर इसके अंदर वो रोमांस भी आ जाता और फिर वो गाने भी आ जाते तो ये कैरेक्टर डाइल्यूट हो जाता. वी डिडंट वांट टू डाइल्यूट द कैरेक्टर. और हमने थोड़ा सा शूट भी किया था, बट देन वी टुक दैट आउट to be true to the film. अब एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसको तो निभानी पड़ेगी, वो मैं कर लूँगा, आज नहीं तो कल. But this character is beautiful without a heroine.
Salman sir, good evening.
अच्छा बस एक आखिरी सवाल. हाँ, one sec. No, that's it. We'll end with the gentleman there. Yes.
Salman sir, good evening. Diagonally 45 degrees to your left.
Top left, sir.
Please.
Yeah.
Sir, rear. Good evening, sir. First of all, a huge round of applause to the entire team. The trailer is really dhasu, really paisa vasu. So huge round of applause. Yeah. धासु. But sir, whenever Salman Khan film जब भी थिएटर में आने वाली है, so people का expectations is there, trade का भी एक expectations है. You know that there is a benchmark Salman Khan film, that means इतनी opening लगने वाली है and all those things. Do you think so because of the phase
जितनी
that we
भी
have gone
ओपनिंग लगती थी उसका 50% कम कर दें.
हाँ जी. So sir, do you think so that now the trade and the industry as a whole, everybody has to temper the expectations?
Yes, but the industry will come back. ये जो एक सीट छोड़ के, that will also go away. Everyone has been, mostly everyone has been vaccinated now. अब ये नहीं कि वैक्सीनेशन के बाद आपको कोविड नहीं होगा, दोनों के बाद भी आपको होगा, लेकिन ऐसा होगा जैसे कि वायरल फ्लू है, you know. So it's best to get yourself vaccinated. Whoever is not gotten vaccinated, it's safe for those people.
All right, we'll wrap up, guys. And everyone here is double vaccinated. You can't enter the theater. Thank you so much. I'll just take.
Thank you.
यार बाकी चलते रहेंगे ना. अरे.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
little
you.
late, Baba. Photo करेंगे. One sec. Just stay on stage. I'll just take the mics out. Sir, I'll just take the mics out. Oh.
Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we'll just take the photo up. And thank you to all the press for sticking to the film script questions. Thank you very much for doing that for us. Thank you. I really appreciate that. We all appreciate that. The whole team does. Yes, please.